Hey campers, I'm Jason and welcome to Science at Home. We are going to do some simple science experiments to make some fun while you're at home, and these are really cool things to do. We are going to do some simple chemical reactions today. So these are things that you should do at home, but with some adult supervision. So get your folks or somebody else to help you out with this. So what are we going to need today? We are going to need some white vinegar. We are going to need some baking soda. Those are our primary chemicals for the experiments today. And then what else are we going to need? We're going to need a tablespoon. We're going to need a measuring cup. We're going to need a funnel. If you don't have a funnel, you can make your own out of twisting up a paper plate and cutting the center out of it. We're going to use a little bit of food coloring. We'll need a soda type bottle and a balloon. And we'll also need some cups. So let's get started. We are going to use a tablespoonful of baking soda, and then we're going to use half a cup of white vinegar. Okay, what do you think is going to happen when I mix the baking soda and the vinegar together? You know what? Let's see what happens. Whoa! Cool. All right. So the baking soda and the vinegar react together, and the byproduct, all these bubbles that you see here, that's carbon dioxide. So let's step this experiment up one notch. We're going to get another cup with another tablespoon of baking soda. And this time, we're going to add a couple of drops of food coloring to our measuring cup. 2, wonderful. And again, we are going to use a half cup of vinegar. Okay, let's see what happens now. By the way, do you notice that I'm working over a tray? So even if I do spill, everything's nice and clean. Okay, so we're going to add our green vinegar to our tablespoon of baking soda. Holy moly! We made green foam and bubbles! Awesome! Okay, let's step it up one more time. And this time, we are going to pour another half cup of vinegar. And now we're going to pour it carefully into our bottle. Excellent. Okay, now we are going to take our balloon and we're going to fit it onto the end of the funnel. You might need an extra set of hands for this, and it's okay to ask for help. Now we are going to take another tablespoon of baking soda. And we're going to put it in the funnel, and we're going to work it to the balloon. So just keep tap, tap, tapping. And a little shaking. And all that baking soda will head into the balloon. All right, there we go. All the baking soda is in the balloon. Put this over to the side. And again, you might need an extra set of hands for this. We are going to put the balloon over the top of the soda bottle, but we don't want to put any of the baking soda in yet. So we're just going to put the top of the bottle where the balloon is. See how I did that? Keeping the balloon off to the side. All right, now let's see what happens. We're going to tip the balloon up. We're going to shake the baking soda into the vinegar, and let's see what happens. Holy moly! Look at the balloon get bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, so what's happening here? Again, a chemical reaction. The vinegar is reacting with the baking soda, and it's producing CO2, carbon dioxide. And since this is a closed environment, the gas, the carbon dioxide, has nowhere to go, and it gets trapped in the balloon, and it gets bigger and bigger. So this is something super fun that you can do at home. It's a great experiment. Have some fun. Remember, ask some help from some parents or some adults, and we'll see you next time. Stay well, campers. Bye-bye.